All right. Okay guys, here's what I'm going to use to replace that junk. I found this bracket. It's a Brock mounting bracket, sourced at Lowe's. There's a part number, 7-way and a 4-pin connector, universal. It's not made for any specific. I'm going to wire it in. Pin 3 is black. So there goes the connector. That's good. Alright, welcome back to Markham's Motors. Today we're trying to figure out what Toyota was thinking on this guy. We hooked the kayak overland trailer to this thing, and the cable wasn't long enough. If y'all see my other videos, that thing's stupid long, and it still wouldn't reach up underneath here because they bury it back here faced like this. I had to beat it. So the day before we were leaving on the trip, I beat the snot out of this thing to try to get it out this way. Now this won't stay where it goes. We're going to do a permanent fix on this, get it mounted over here somewhere where it's supposed to be, where it's easy, normal connection to go. This is just ridiculous. We're going to fix it. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do, get these connectors loose here from the factory harness. We're going to drop all of this, so we can drop all this down and work on it outside. Okay, this was attached to the frame. I kind of like this setup. It's secure, it's got it tucked away. It's just held in with a couple of these little plastic clips, pry out. I'll probably reuse this. We're gonna get this down so we can get the wiring done now. It's just got this little clip that kind of held this in as a backing. I beat this one off when I was hammering on it. Use some pliers, get this little guy undone. We're not reusing any of this. It's terrible. All right. Now we're going to use a impact. These look a little rusty. I'm going to make sure maybe in a 13mm, vibrate them loose with the impact. Okay guys, here's what I'm going to use to replace that junk. I found this bracket. It's a Brock mounting bracket, sourced at Lowe's. There's a part number and a 4-pin, 7-way and a 4-pin connector, universal. It's not made for any specific. I'm going to wire it in. Also picked up at Lowe's. There's the part number. Okay, I'm going to get into this guy, see what all is going on in here wiring wise. Tape. We're going to try to not hurt any of our wiring. I do want to try to use this. I'll just wire up my plug here, is what I'm thinking. This looks to be some kind of retainer, some extra links, little cuts, people. Goes the Yasma. Look how bad it is. This one's seen its day too. I'm suspecting that's all molded in there from the factory. Okay guys, we got this all put together. I like how it come out. Hope it's long enough to get over to where I need it to. These little screws did come in the set. They were stuffed inside of here. That will mount it to this guy. Okay guys, this piece of metal is bolted to the draw tie. Its only purpose is to just bolt this bumper to it. I'm gonna come in here with this guy. I've got me a couple marks made right here. I'm gonna pre-drill. We're gonna get this guy mounted something like that, facing the trailer this way, not straight. We're gonna be using these sheet metal screws. Mount this first and then deal with mounting that to this plate. Got 4 little screws that hold it to it, but once you attach that to this, you can't get these screws in. About made a rookie mistake. I didn't get this thing over my wiring harness, but it will fit. Just takes some puzzle working. It's got this nice little slit in it. There you go. Kind of has to be semi-attached before you can. You don't want to monkey with that. What I was just doing underneath here. I like pre-drilling a hole for these sheet metal screws. Just seems to do better. Feels good. It's gonna be tight back here with the spare tire, but it's gonna be a whole lot better than where it was. That's got some flexibility. I think we're in good shape. Okay, it came with these little screws, Phillips, and a 10. I'm gonna go ahead and put some dielectric grease on these. This guy got a little slack, that's okay. We get these dudes, this guy mounted back, get him popped back into place. We'll give him a tie wrap just in case. Look like a typical Toyota one-time use clip. Yeah, that's not long enough. I guess he'd work right there, but there you go guys. I like it. It's tight, but it works. Should be no problems now.